Hey there, Logan here for VANiGO.com, and today we're going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the VANiGO Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Now, full disclosure, this was sent to me as a review sample from the manufacturer. This vacuum is available on Amazon.com today for current price and a coupon. I managed to get you all a coupon. Please check out the description below, and let's take a look at what's inside the box here. So, what I've got here is exactly what you'll get if you order this product on Amazon. Let's take a look. Okay, so we have an outer shipping box. Little card that says, "Are you happy with your product?" Gives you a little email address. If there's any problems, they say that they will resolve it in 8 hours. Let's take a look at the actual box. Okay, cool. So one thing you will notice about this vacuum cleaner, it's a pretty cool design. A lot of robot vacuums on the market go all black, all white, all silver, all one color. This one's colorful. It doesn't say hide me. It says, you know, take a look at me. I'm pretty cool. So with that, let's cut open the tape and open up the box here for you on camera. And there we go. There's the robot itself. Let me make sure that you can see this on camera here. Let's give this a little zoom. Perfect. Okay, so let's see what we got. First thing we have here, quick use instruction booklet. We have the mopping pad with reservoir. This is really cool because unlike a lot of robot vacuums on the market, you can fill this up with liquid and it will slowly dispense it down on your hard floors to mop them as it sweeps and cleans and vacuums. So, really cool feature. Can't wait to test this out. We have a brush roll cleaning tool with a little razor on it, with the little hair grabbers, and with the brush. We have a remote control with a screen on it. This looks interesting. We'll have to test this out. You got the power adapter. We've got the VANiGO robot itself, and let's take this thing out of the plastic and examine it a little bit more. So we have the robot itself right here, which as you can see has a pretty cool design. We've got this nice big go button on top. Around back we have a button so that you can pull out the vacuum bin. On the bottom we have a bristle brush roller bar. It's a little small compared to the high-end top robot vacuums of today. We will see how it actually cleans when we get to testing. We have our front little wheel here. We do have 2 spinning side brushes. This is a big thing to note. A lot of robot vacuums on the market only have 1 side brush, or some have no side brushes. So the fact this has 2 definitely is a nice plus when it comes to corner cleaning. Finally, let's see what else we got in the box. We have 2 extra side brushes. So that covers some of your maintenance right there for you. No extra cost. Comes with replacements in the box. And then finally we have the charging dock. And that is what comes in the box with the VANiGO Robot Vacuum. Let's just take a look at it one more time. This is the top. Nice big go button. Easy to use. On the bottom, we have the brush roll, single brush roll, a little small compared to what's top line on the market, but still looks like it's going to do a good job because we've got both these side brushes here. Obviously, wait for the full review. This is just an unboxing. Nice big wheels that have a lot of up and down movement, so this probably will do well over thresholds. Once again, wait for the review. But yeah, this has been Logan here for VANiGO.com. Please take a look at the video description down below for current prices along with the coupon code I got you guys. And be on the lookout. I will have the full review coming out here very soon. It's been Logan here for VANiGO.com. Thanks for watching.